Hey everyone, for today's video, I'll be showing you guys some updates about my little side hustle or little business. That is my Etsy store, Teacher K. And if you've seen my previous video about me passing the licensure exam, one major update is that recently I just took the teacher's oath-taking ceremony, and I'll be sharing that to you at the second half of this video. So let's start with my Etsy shop, and I'm gonna show you guys how that looks like. So right now I have just created a few items that I am selling on my Etsy store. So the recent ones are Valentine's Day games. I have them printed here. I have 5-in-1 bundle for Valentine's games. 5-in-1 bundle. So what's inside that is the first game is the guess the emoji, this one. So I have decided to create a printable version because I know guess the emoji is actually the best seller for my online games, and since a lot of us already back doing on-site activities, might as well create printable ones. So in this bundle you will get the emoji game. So if you're looking for activities for your Valentine's Day party with friends or probably church mates, this would be a great thing to do. Guess the emoji. That's the first game. And then second game would be word scramble. So this has words that are commonly used during Valentine's Day, and from the title itself, all the participants will have to do is unscramble the words. Followed by, I have here 3 sets of human bingos. These are my favorite ones. Okay, what I have here, the first one is it's so messy. What I have here, the first one is the single and proud bingo. Just a typical bingo, human bingo. You find someone that meets each of those criteria, and for this game, it only has 9 blocks. Therefore, the first to complete the grid is the winner. And this is single and proud because the items here are the descriptors are very applicable and related to people who are single and proud, because I believe Valentine's Day is not just for lovers, right? So this would be a great game for Galentines Day if you have it with your friends. So another bingo that I have is the category Heartbreak Bingo. Heartbreak Bingo, same thing, but it's really up to you if you want everyone to fill up or complete the entire grid, or you just want them to form a line like the typical bingo, or a certain pattern of your choice. But here, this is actually hilarious because the descriptors are, of course, very related to people who went through heartbreaks. And say for example, one here says trying on your ex's clothes and taking silly photos. So this is one way of breaking the ice and of course getting to know the people you're with during that party. And of course, lastly, the type of bingo that I have here is the one I called Love Bingo, but actually you can see here the face of Taylor Swift. It's because it's inspired by Taylor Swift song lyrics. And this is not necessarily for lovers or those who are in love, but it can also apply to, of course, those who are experiencing heartbreak. So it's still love as a whole, right? Because Taylor Swift is so good in creating lyrics for heartbroken people. An example for this is, in one of the descriptors I have here, someone who would marry in paper rings. If you're a Swiftie, I know you understand what this means. And then someone who got a long list of ex-lovers from blank space. All these things, these 5 games are just ideas. If you want to purchase the ready-made printables in my Etsy shop, you can just simply click on the link found in the description box down below. And the good thing is it has answer key for both word scramble and emoji. Another game that you could use is the date night truth or dare. This is I think much more applicable. This is applicable to all, whether it's a date night, friends party, Galentine's Day, or singles night out. This is very applicable. So it's still found in my Etsy shop. It has truth or dare card games. It's very aesthetically designed for Valentine's Day, and I believe it will help you get to know your friends or the people you're with a lot better through these questions that are related to love. And if they're not ready to answer the questions, of course, we have fun dares that they could choose, pick from. Alright, and aside from that, guys, I also created Lover. Lover album is really good for Valentine's Day, right? I have created printables for photo booth props and also cupcake toppers. And if you're interested about that, again, the link is found in the description box down below.
Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. That corner coffee shop we like to go. Late night walks with you to take me home. With you I never feel alone.
These little songs make me glad to call you mine. And you have got my head in the clouds.
1, 2, 3. All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything. The simple joy of
too long, but I don't wanna come down. Caught up in a long free fall, you got me off of the ground. Sway for a minute, the plane moves side to side. Ticket, I want you in my life. I feel a mile high when you're on my side. High up in the sky, cruising through the night.
Once again, guys, thank you for watching. This is Teacher K. Have a great day. Bye!
lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers.